activity is given on page number 3. If you see, there are many triangles. In order to find out the height, remember height कैसे पहचाना जाता है, ये साइन से हाइट पहचाना जाता है. और ये हाइट किसके ऊपर खड़ा है, इसके ऊपर. द हाइट AR स्टैंडिंग ऑन BC, सो AR इज द हाइट एंड BC इज द बेस. Depending upon the triangle, the BC will, if it is a bigger triangle, it will be BC. If it is this triangle, it will be PQ. If it is this triangle, it will be RQ, and so on. So in this triangle, AR is common for all the triangle. That is AR जो height है वो सब triangle, जो भी triangle लो इसके अंदर सबके लिए वो same ही रहेगा. Triangle ABC, what is the base over here? ABC. So base is what? BC. And height is what? AR. Similarly for APQ, in this triangle, what is the base? PQ. PQ base रहेगा और height क्या रहेगा? AR. Height is same, दोनों के लिए height same ही रहेगा. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to what? Base into height. So a triangle ABC's base is what? BC, and height is what? AR. Similarly in APQ, base is what? PQ, and height is what? AR. AR and AR will get eliminated, so the answer will be what? BC into PQ upon PQ, not into PQ, upon PQ. Reason what you will write over here, the reason will be the heights of both the triangles are equal. Same way in this triangle, if you see the red one, ये जो red line है वो हाइट है और ये ब्लू लाइन भी हाइट है. ये ब्लू लाइन इधर से स्टार्ट होता है तो वो हाइट किसका है? DMNQ का. और ये रेड लाइट इधर से स्टार्ट होता है तो ये हाइट किसका है? LMN का है. तो LMN का बेस क्या है? MN. What is the base of triangle LMN? MN. And what is the height of triangle LMN? LMN का हाइट क्या है? LP. Similarly DMN का बेस क्या है? MN. और हाइट क्या है? What is the height over here? DQ into DQ. So if you see over here, the bases are same. So area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle DMN is equal to what? MN into LP and MN into DQ. Here MN and MN will get eliminated. MN eliminate हो जाएगा तो बचेगा क्या? LP upon DQ. So over here base are same for both the triangle. दोनों triangle के लिए base same है. So the area of the ratio of the area of the two triangle is what? Ratio of the corresponding height. LP upon DQ. Now next one, in this triangle, triangle ABC and triangle ACM, this triangle and this triangle MBC, this triangle MBC and triangle AMC. Here CM is the median. They have already given M is the midpoint and CM is the median. Therefore AM will be equal to BM. Why? Because M is a midpoint. M जो रहता है बीच का पॉइंट है AB का, इसके लिए AM और BM इक्वल रहना चाहिए. Now if I draw the height, अगर मैं height perpendicular, हमेशा height perpendicular रहना चाहिए. So if this is the height which I take, this will be perpendicular to the base AB, AM and MB. In an obtuse angle, in acute angle, the height will always be inside. Let us give a name to it. D. And in case of obtuse angle, the height AD will come outside. ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल के लिए हाइट हमेशा बाहर रहता है और एक्यूट एंगल के लिए हाइट हमेशा अंदर के तरफ रहता है. तो ओवर हियर दोनों का हाइट CD है तो हाइट इज सेम फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम. नाउ CM is the median of the triangle ABC. So just now we have studied, if the height is equal, then the area of the two triangle will be equal to what? Their bases. So over here AMC, what is the base of AMC? AM. And what's the base of BMC? BM. Now they had already given that CM is a midpoint of segment AB, or CM is a median. Whenever it is a midpoint or median, always AM will be equal to BM. That is, this will be equal to this one. So over here AM and BM is equal, so instead of AM you can write BM, or instead of BM you can write AM. So I'll take both the side AM only, AM AM. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि AM AM ही लिखना है, BM BM भी लिख सकता है क्योंकि दोनों भी इक्वल है. तो या तो BM की जगह में AM डालो, नहीं तो AM की जगह में BM डालो ना. AM and AM will get eliminated, that is equal to 1. Now if over here, if both the base and the heights are equal, base and height both are equal, both are equal, so what you will get, area of triangle AMC upon area of triangle BMC will be equal to how much? 1. So if both base and height are equal, then the ratio of the two triangle will be equal to 1. If I take the BMC on this side, what I'll get? Area of triangle AMC is equal to area. अगर मैं ये BMC को इस side लिखा है तो 1 into this will become what? Area of triangle BMC. So what you have studied in this, if height is also same, base is also same, then the ratio of the two triangle will be equal to 1, or area of this triangle will be equal to area of triangle BMC. Both the triangles area will be equal.